What's up, folks? My morning update, July 20th. This one's fairly interesting today. So, 94 quarter, whatever, 94, and 81, 82, 81. So, below 81, I'm bearish. Above 94, I'm bullish relatively. And in between is just chop. So, that's kind of where we're at today. Overnight was, this high here and then this low. So that's kind of where we're at. Downside, if we go down, 55, 57 is going to be a doozy. I'd watch that level. But that 66, 65 might hold. What I'm really watching though is this. I mean, we could get down to 30, but really that 35, 40 I would look to hold, and then last chance would be 45, 10. So, but this one I think that they'll defend if we got down there would be 35, 40, 45, 40, 45, 35. Above, if we get above 94, I think we'll at least retest this and then probably head up to the 25, 30 area. So we'll see. I don't know. I feel like this has kind of gone up quite extensively for a time being, and maybe we need to start to come back down and test some of these support levels out back again, clean up some of these singles in here, that type of stuff. See if we can't at least tap some of these lows, find another base to return back up, or do we, come all the way down? I forgot. I'm sorry. 87.90 is really, that's a big one. So 44, 87.90 is also a big one. I don't see that, obviously, today. If that happened, we'd all be dead. Anyway, pivots are decent today. 95. Pivot 46.09 quarter, which is basically that high. That's incredible. 46.22 and 46.36. So I like all of these. Downside 82. Right there. I mean, these align great today. 45.68, which is that 70 level, and then that 55 at that 57 level. So these pivots are right on. Here we go. Here's our lift off into the nether. So your 50-day is 44.70. Again, if we hit that, then we've got other problems. But just to keep that in mind. But all your spaghetti is way down here, and then you have that huge volume area, which we will retest at some point, 41, 55, 35. So you can't have all that without at least coming back down here as a base and coming back up. Well, theoretically, I'm not saying that that's for sure. Nothing's for sure in these markets. 27 is your fib, so we get back below that, and then we're back into these levels. Again, I'm not a total fib guy, but on the weekly, this is kind of what I'm looking at. 46.60 would be my upper target, and then we lose that 27 and we're back to the 43.07. So we'll see. What else? Here's our monthly. This is that 87.90 area is what I was talking about. So if we lose this level, then I think we're back into other levels. This is a daily chart with a monthly TPO, so you can tell where our volume spikes have been. A lot of volume actually up in this area. So there's a void here. So that's something to take a look at, is back in that 45.50 area. So that goes into that 47.55 level. But that's that spike here. So we'll take a look at this real quick. Wheat dropped on the overnight and then came back up. Euro's down 250 ticks today. So as I said, 13 was a target there. Didn't come up. It was shy, but this thing is screaming. Again, this needs a retrace. Now, do we go back to 11? Probably, which isn't far, another 7. So that'd be a full point move if we landed there today. Or do we continue to drop down? Was that it? I don't know. Small cash gap from yesterday, 57 to 54. So we'll see if that. And then you have this one still here at 44.89 to 44.72. Again, I don't think that would be hit, but if we came close, it would be the 44.89 that would be support. So I would look that up in your SPX. Anyway, I'll be around. Stay safe, in and out. Don't screw around. Again, below 82 on bearish, but as of now, well, we're right there. Or really below 81. So we're flirting with it. We'll see if we bounce off this. It's only 8:45. All right.